felt that as soon as I put it on, I felt that saggage, honey. Hello, my name is Chrissy. Welcome. What's up, Style Queens? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm super excited because I am doing a shapewear review today, you guys. As you know, I've dubbed myself the queen of shapewear. Okay, I used to do so many shapewear reviews. I've done Shapewear, I've done Skins, I've done Spanx, I've done Made in Form, I've done a couple other brands I can't even think of right now, but I haven't done one in a really long time, so I wanted to come on here and give y'all something, give something to the girls today. Okay, so I was on Amazon. I found this brand called Naomi Nicole. Very affordable. Everything was like under $30. Had rave reviews, so I was like, yes, period. I'm looking for something to shapewear myself, and I wanted to try it out for you guys. Today I have a shaper short, high-waisted shaper short. You know, it's my favorite type of shapewear, and a high-waisted shaper panty to show you guys. So I'm really excited about that. But first, before we get into this video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, girl, what are you doing? Click that subscribe button. Also click the notification bell so you're notified whenever I upload. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter so you stay in the loop. Now grab you a snack, grab you something to drink, and let's get into this video. Okay, so if you've been watching me for a while, you know that before every shapewear video, I do a before and after. So I'm gonna give you my before right now. Try to wear something, you know, real fitted and tight for y'all so y'all could see what's going on here. Okay, you know, we've been in quarantine, things, you know, things been getting a little wild, but you know, it's all good, whatever, we love it. Anyway, from the side, here we go. So the first garment I'm going to try on is the high-waisted shaper panty. Now I love a good shaper panty to wear like with jeans, pants, leggings, things like that. I typically won't wear this with like a dress. I love the shorts for a dress. I just want to give you guys a quick first impression. I got this in a size 4, just going off the size chart, but now that I'm seeing it, I think I definitely could have sized down like 1 to 2 sizes. Now that I'm seeing their size chart, actually not the Amazon size chart, and their size chart on the actual garment, I'll put that up on the screen so you guys can see as well. So this high-waisted shaper panty, as you can see, it has a full behind, which we love for the girls, with a big whole rear end. We got to have something that covers us up. It has a little sticky part inside of it so it stays still, which I love because I cannot stand when shapewear gives me a wedgie. That's the issue I have with Skins, okay? It gave me a wedgie. There's no gusset. There are no snaps here for you to easily unsnap and use the bathroom. You're gonna have to pull it down. I have no problem with that. There's really no grip at the top to prevent rolling down. Let's see if that is an issue when we try it on. This garment in particular targets waist, tummy, and hips. Okay, so we're gonna see how it goes. Let's try it on. You guys, wow. I don't even have to like be dramatic because like y'all see it. I don't even have to be extra because I know you see it, because I see it. This, first of all, let's start here because I know you're gonna ask. It was so easy to get on. It was really easy to get on. It took me probably under a minute. It was very easy to get on. I know a lot of you guys complain sometimes is like when it has that sticky kind of like grip fabric in it to keep it from rolling up, that it's harder. No, this is so easy to get on. It's so comfortable and flexible. I'm not even kidding, you guys, and I'm not hyping this up. I bought this with my own coins, okay? This is, it really smoothed me out, and I felt it. You know, I felt that as soon as I put it on. I felt that saggage, honey, as soon as I put it on, and it looks really good to me in the mirror. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. It looks really good. It looks really good. The only reason I don't try it on shaper panties with jeans is because I really want y'all to see the difference when I'm wearing like a fitted dress, and you can really see the outlines and the crevices and the lumps and bumps and everything in my body. But this looks really good. So let me go ahead and give you a 360. Here it is from the front. Okay, the side. And that's one thing, I think it really smoothed out my fat. I think it really smoothed out my back definitely smoothed out my behind. This another good thing about this is it's right here. Like, it literally ends right here. It's covering my full behind. Okay, this is pretty much roll up wedgie proof. Okay, it has been looking good, honey. It's been smooth. Y'all better hurry up to Amazon and get this, or I'll actually find where else it's sold, just in case it sells out on Amazon. But I think this may have been under $20, so that's really affordable, and it's just good, baby. Look at, honey. Hey guys, so next up we have the high-waisted Shapewear short. Now they call this their high-waisted thigh slimmer. It's meant to target the tummy, hips, and thighs, same as the other one. I don't see how the other one targeted the hips, but okay. So this one also has that rubber grip on the thighs to prevent rolling up. Like, that is one of the biggest things I get asked in my comments. You guys hate when things ride up, roll up. So we gonna see today if it's gonna stay there. This one looks pretty like small, like it has that give back, you know what I mean, that you know what I'm talking about. So I feel like this would be a little hard to get up. One of the things I do wish already about this is that it may be targeted more the behind, the butt, okay, the cheeks, but I didn't have a problem with the last one. I definitely feel like it smoothed it out, so we're gonna see about this one. Make sure y'all keep watching. If you are still watching, drop a black heart for me down in the comments so I know you've gotten to this part of the video. And now let's see how this goes. Okay guys, first off, let me just say, sis came around in, she snatched it up, honey. She gave me soft, she gave me slave, she gave me smoothness, honey. I love this. I really do. One, it is so comfortable. Now this one, it was a little bit hard to get on just because of the grip on like the bottom leg areas where it's not supposed to roll up. You know, it kind of sticks to the skin a little bit, but it wasn't terrible. Like, this may have took me a minute and a half versus where the other one took maybe under a minute. And still, that's not long, because Spanx, we all know Spanx. It takes a minute. This one, I'm pleasantly surprised. It smoothed me, guys. I look smooth. I love this because I feel like it literally just smooths me and create a very smooth foundation. That's the thing about shapewear. And I know sometimes there's an argument of how can you be body positive and still love shapewear. But here's the thing about shapewear, honey. It's not supposed to change how you totally look, okay? It's not supposed to make you look 5 sizes smaller. It's just really supposed to smooth and accentuate, okay? I'm not wearing a faja. I'm not wearing a super crazy waist trainer. This is just a pair of shaping shorts, smoothing shorts. That's really what it did. It smoothed out my figure. I'm gonna give you guys a 360. Here it is from the front. Here it is from the side, okay? Okay, here it is from the back. I think it did a really good job smoothing out my behind. And here it is from the other side. So that's the thing about shapewear. If you're disappointed when you put it on because you thought you was gonna go from thick to slim to skinny, I don't know what some people be thinking that's gonna happen when you put on shapewear. Shapewear is not magic. I mean, it does kind of do magical things, but it's not going to make you go from a 3X to a large. It's just not gonna happen. Like, we're not bamboozling anybody. You can tell I'm a big girl with my shapewear on, my shapewear off. It is what it is, okay? But this is a really good piece of shapewear, especially for the price. I believe this was under $25. I'm gonna put it at $23. I don't remember exactly. I'll have the prices on the screen. Also, everything will be linked down below. Do I think I could have gone a size down in this? I do think I could have comfortably gone a size down in it. I do think that this is okay, but I could have gone a size down. So, I'll have my sizes and everything on the screen. It's also down in the description box, my top size, my pant size, everything, my measurements. If you guys think you are close to me in size and body type. But I love this, you guys. Rate it for me down in the comments. What are you guys thinking, honey? She looked good. She looks snatched. And sometimes shapewear is just something to make women feel comfortable in the moment. Some women have just had babies. They're trying to get it back. Okay, trying to get it right, trying to get tight. Sometimes when you gain weight and you're just trying to, and shapewear is not only for big women. That's a big misconception. Shapewear is for everyone, okay? A lot of times if you have loose skin, maybe you've lost weight, or it keeps your skin from sagging, it just holds everything into place, okay? That's what my mama taught me. Lessons. It has so many different functions to it, so I never want people to feel shameful into thinking, well, I want to be body positive or I'm confident, but I still want to wear a piece of shapewear. That's not it at all. That's not it at all. Shapewear is for everyone, no matter your shape, size, gender. It's for everybody, okay? There's men's shapewear too. Don't let them fool you. So you guys, that is the end of this video. If I had to rate these two pieces of shapewear, I would give them both a 4 out of 5. One, because they were super easy to get on. They were super easy to get on. They were very comfortable. I think it did its job. She came in, she did what she had to do. And they're very, very, very they're just good. Now, I do have to say they don't have gussets. They don't have an opening. I know a lot of you ladies like that. If you do like that, then they're probably not the ones for you. But I do think that they're really good pieces of shapewear. Some of the best that I've tried recently. So that is the end of this video. If you guys have any other shapewear brands that you would like for me to try out, leave them down below in the comments. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, you guys. That really helps me a lot in knowing what content you guys like, what videos to put out. I love you guys so much. I want to thank you so much for watching. Remember, now videos will be posted Wednesday, Friday, and on the weekends as well. Thank you guys so much for watching and supporting, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah.